everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I want to share a little moment from our home. My mom is in the kitchen cooking one of our favorite meals. This is how a regular day looks for us when everyone is home and hungry. She's making jollof rice, fried chicken, sweet plantains, and meat pies. This is food we grew up eating, and it always brings us together. My mom loves cooking for the family, even when she's tired. She starts by getting everything ready, washing, cutting, and seasoning. Cooking takes time, but she never rushes it. This is jollof rice. She stirs it slowly, making sure the flavors mix well. Smell fills the whole house. When she cooks jollof rice, everyone knows dinner is going to be good. That is one meal that never lasts long in our home. Oh yeah, she also made meat pies. Personally, they're one of my favorites. They take a lot of work, but they're worth it. The crust is soft and the inside is full of flavor. It's made out of beef. These don't last long either. She also mixes the meat and the onions to create a really good flavor. My mom is adding the rice to the tomato plus onions mixture. So now she's gonna start mixing it to give the rice the onion / tomatoes flavor, which I personally kind of like. Now she's gonna cover it, and now we're on to the fried chicken. Now she's frying the chicken. She makes sure it's seasoned well and crispy. We can always hear the oil frying from our rooms, and our rooms are really far away from the kitchen, so we can. That's how we know food is almost ready. So she adds the Maggi and the stuff in it. Fried chicken is one of our favorites. So she adds something to the chicken. She adds water to it, starts mixing it, and then she covers it. She also covers the jollof rice with tin foil, and then covers it with the pot cover. Now she comes back to see that the water looking thing in the jollof rice has been absorbed by the rice, so now she's got expanded rice. Yeah, I don't know how that works. But then she covers it again, I think. Oh, I don't think she covers it. Oh, yeah, she covers it. Yep. And now she's starting the plantains. Next are the plantains. Sweet, soft, and golden. Plantains go with almost anything. We could argue, actually we always argue about who gets the last piece. So she starts by cutting the plantains, which look like bananas. But she cuts the plantains. She takes the skin off first, of course, because you can't have plantains with skin on them. There's my little brother, and he's helping my mom because he loves to cook. I mean, like, really loves. Like, almost every meal he wants to help. So, right now what they're doing is they're adding the onion and the meat into the empanadas, which is creating the meat pie shape. And they press it down with the forks so that they can get the meat pies to, like, lock in. So, obviously, my little brother, he's helping my mom, and he just takes the empanadas and he puts them in the little thing that closes it. Oh wait, no, he doesn't. He puts the meat in first. This is us sitting together as a family. Look at me. I'm that one with the space shirt and my pajamas. Yeah. Don't ask why I'm so excited. We talk, we laugh, and we enjoy our meal. These moments mean a lot to us. Even when life is busy, we try to eat together, and we succeed.